Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best garden watering system is probably one of the most essential tools for any gardener, ensuring your plants receive the hydration they need to thrive. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of garden watering systems, exploring various types, from soaker hoses to automated sprinkler systems, and helping you choose the perfect one for your garden's unique needs and your budget. Get ready to discover the secrets to a lush, vibrant garden with the right watering system. Number 5. Flantor Drip Irrigation Kit for Garden. Tired of watering your plants manually? This kit provides an easy solution. It allows you to water all your plants at once with the turn of a tap. Set it and forget it. This system waters your plants automatically, even when you're away. You'll need a timer, but it's perfect for business trips or vacations. Need more coverage? The two-way faucet connector lets you expand the system. It increases water pressure and allows you to customize the watering for each plant. Different plants have different needs. This system includes adjustable nozzles to meet the specific water demands of each plant. It's all about providing the right amount of water. No special skills are required. The system is easy to install, with a simple manual to guide you. It's suitable for various areas like gardens and greenhouses. What we like? This kit waters all your plants at once, automatically. It's perfect if you're going on vacation or a business trip, as it will keep your plants watered while you're away. If you have a busy schedule and want to save time and effort, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say? The system is easy to install and set up. The timer is very easy to program and use. It has worked flawlessly all summer. Number 4. Remiawy Terracotta Plant Waterer 6-Pack. These plant watering devices are made of terracotta clay, designed to release water slowly. The thinner the spike, the faster the water drains. Don't worry if you find them broken, we'll take responsibility. Using this product is easy. First, dig a hole in the soil. Then, insert the stakes and connect them to a water-filled bottle. Make sure to insert most of the stake into the soil for the best results. This pack includes 6 watering stakes at a great price. You can use old wine or plastic bottles with them. It's a great way to recycle and save yourself some time. 1 liter of water can last about 7 to 10 days, but it depends on the plant and the environment. It prevents overwatering and keeps your plants watered while you're away. Test it out before you leave to protect your plants. These stakes are great for all kinds of plants, indoors or out. They help keep the soil moist, so your plants stay healthy without you having to water them every day. What we like? These terracotta spikes provide slow-release watering, perfect for indoor and outdoor plants. You can easily use them with wine or plastic bottles. If you're looking for a simple and cost-effective way to water your plants while you're away, this is a great choice. What people say? The system is easy to install and set up. The timer is very easy to program and use. The system works great and is very reliable. Number 3. HIRALIY 50-Foot Drip Irrigation Kit. This kit allows you to customize the water flow. You can adjust it to stop, micro-drip, or spray, making it suitable for various plants in your garden. This feature ensures efficient and targeted watering. The splitter is made of solid brass, ensuring no rust and long-lasting durability. It splits the water lines and allows you to control each line individually with an easy-to-use switch. This provides precise control over your watering system. Installation is simple and quick. Just insert the fittings and droppers, and you're ready to water your plants. A user manual is included to guide you through the process. This irrigation kit is perfect for various applications. It's great for lawns, vegetable gardens, greenhouses, flower beds, and raised beds. It helps you maintain a healthy and thriving garden. This automatic drip irrigation kit includes everything you need. It comes with 50 feet of tubing, a brass splitter, T-connectors, and drip emitters. It's a complete solution for your irrigation needs. What we like? This kit allows you to adjust the water flow to suit different plants. The splitter is made of solid brass, ensuring no leaks. If you want a customizable and easy-to-install system for your garden, this is the one for you. What people say? The system is easy to install and set up. The timer is very easy to program and use. The system works great and is very reliable. Number 2. Spalolen push-to-connect drip irrigation system. Tired of complicated irrigation systems? This push-to-connect system installs in minutes. You can set it up quickly and easily, saving you time and effort. Say goodbye to leaks and frequent repairs. This kit ensures a tight, leak-proof connection every time, even under higher water pressure. It's built to last, providing worry-free irrigation season after season. Need to adjust your garden layout? This system allows you to modify and expand effortlessly. It's perfect for various garden types, growing with your plants. Ensure consistent water distribution across your entire garden. The system provides high-pressure water to every plant. It eliminates uneven watering and frequent adjustments. Get everything you need for easy installation and full coverage. This complete kit includes tubing, emitters, connectors, and more. You'll have a fully functional drip irrigation system right out of the box. Need more? Spalolen offers a full range of compatible expansion fittings. Whether you're expanding or upgrading, it has everything you need to keep your garden thriving. What we like? This system installs in minutes with push-to-connect fittings, ensuring a leak-proof setup. It's fully customizable, adapting to any garden layout. If you are looking for a hassle-free and adaptable system, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? Easy to install and set up. The system works great and keeps my plants watered. Number 1. 118-foot drip irrigation kit for garden. This DIY kit is designed for easy installation. It uses a quick connect design, so you don't need any tools to set it up. It's simple and leak-free. The system comes with a 118-foot hose and 24 drip emitters. It provides precise water control, helping you save water. It's designed for up to 4 zones. It features 2 modes, stream flow and vortex flow. This allows you to customize the watering patterns. You can adjust it to meet your plant's specific needs. This kit is perfect for various uses, including lawns, raised beds, and greenhouses. It's also suitable for nurseries, flower beds, and fruit trees. It's a comprehensive solution for your garden. Built with sun-resistant materials, it's designed to last. This garden irrigation system offers a reliable and economical solution. It's a long-lasting investment for your garden. What we like? This system features a quick connect design for easy installation and efficient water distribution. It offers dual water flow options to suit your plant's needs. If you want a versatile and easy-to-use system for your garden, consider this one. What people say? The system is easy to install and set up. The timer is very easy to program and use. The system works great and keeps my plants watered. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.